Today I will be showing you how to export parts to an Excel file. So first, you go to a SmartFind. And in my first example, I will be showing you how to export a category at the lowest level. So in this case, I select AC motors and accessories. Then I click the lowest category, motors. And then we can see that there are about 5,000 entries. So then I just simply go to export. I click on it, and then after a few seconds an Excel file is going to be generated. Now you can see that the Excel file has just been downloaded to the computer, and I open the file, and then you can see that all parts are there with their attribute values. And just to double check, we want to see how many parts we have, and there you go, we have about 5,000 parts. Also, DFR allows you to export all parts at an upper category. So in this case, I select on AC motors and accessories, and here we have about 6,000 parts. So I do the same, I click on export, and then this should take a little bit longer since we have more parts. Then the file has just been downloaded. We open it just to double check, and there you go, we have about 6,000 parts for this spreadsheet. Then another way to do it, if we go back to a lowest category, we click on motors. Another way to do it is to filter on these parts. In this case, we will do the horsepower to be 0.01. We click on it, and then we can see that we have about 52 parts. We do have 52 parts. So we click on export, and then this Excel file should only show you those 52 parts. And there you go. If you look at the count, we have 52 parts. We can close this file. And lastly, you can also export parts by typing in the search box. So if we want all parts that start with 001-00, let's add another 0 here. Okay, there you go, we have 100 entries. So if we click on export, these are the only parts that we should see in our Excel file. We open the file, scroll down just to make sure we have about 100 parts in there, and there you go, we do. So I close this file, and the last option that we have is to select individual parts. So in this case, we can select this one, let's just do another one. So we do 3 parts, and then we just click on export, and that will generate an Excel file with only those 3 parts